Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, yeah, awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way. We're going to keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down, and let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're going to bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're going to go down to one side. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Ready? Kanye. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. All right, guys, this part of the lesson today, we're going to go over double knife hand. Okay, double knife hand. So let's practice this together. Ready? Kanye. Good. 준비. Okay, double knife hand. Take one hand, we put it across our face like this, and we point with the opposite hand. My feet are together. When you do a double knife hand, we're typically in a back stance. So we're gonna step out like this, back knee bent, front knee bent a little bit, so it's 70-30. We're gonna bend this knee, this hand goes down, this hand goes here. Okay, so again, aiming like this, double knife hand. Aiming right here. So this hand across the face, this hand pointing this way, double knife hand. Okay, let's practice the opposite side. This hand goes across your face, this one points out, step out, double knife hand. Again, this hand right here, this hand across your face, double knife hand. Okay, awesome, good. One more time. This hand here, across your face, double knife hand. Okay, so we're gonna practice a pattern. We're gonna practice double knife hand, aim, step forward, front stance punch. Then we're gonna do the opposite side, double knife hand, aim, front stance punch. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? Junbi, and double knife hand, punch. Double knife hand, punch. Awesome job, you guys. Again, from the beginning, and double knife hand, punch. Double knife hand, punch. Good job. Now make sure when you do your front stance, put more weight in this knee. Again, one more time. Double knife hand, punch. Good. Double knife hand, punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good rep today. Now remember, double knife hand. One hand's here. One hand's right about your eye level. Okay? So I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.